So you go to Joomla.com and you go to T4 framework. Okay, now I've already downloaded it, and you go to download. I've already done so. You want to download the framework for Joomla 4. This is the quick start. The quick start package is what you want to download. Not for Joomla 3. I'm not doing Joomla 3. I'm doing Joomla 4. And it's not the blank template. Now the template works if you already have your site and you just want to build the site with the T4. In that case, this is where you would download just the template. But we're not doing that. So make sure you go here. You have to create an account, and then you can click on download. I've already done so. If you haven't followed this tutorial before, make sure you check out my last video that I talked about how to install Joomla on your website. When I did the tutorial about creating an e-commerce site and the Helix, I walked you through the process of how to manually install Joomla on your website. So once you've installed Joomla on your site, you're going to get something that looks like this. Okay, we're taking it from here. Now, when you get this error message, this to let you know that you have to upgrade your PHP to either 8.0 or 8.1. It's important that you do that for security reasons. Okay, so you want to go to your cPanel, your control panel. This is where all the files of your websites are being stored. So contact your web hosting company and let them know that you need access to your cPanel. In your cPanel, this is where you can be able to put all those, make some changes to it. So once you go to your cPanel, let me come back here. Once you go to your cPanel, you just search for PHP, you type PHP, and you need the PHP Multi-Manager. So you click on this here. From here, you click on, you see you have different versions, PHP versions. You have 8.0, 8.1. You want to make sure that you can go with the 8.0 or the 8.1. So just go with the 8.1. And then you choose the site. This is going to apply throughout the entire website, the domain. So you want to click on apply. And you get this message. Your site, the PHP version has been updated to 8.1. Now you go back to your Joomla site. When you refresh it, that message should not be there anymore. So now you've gotten rid of that message. So we are ready to get to the next level.